Hello everyone, this is my Habanero plant. It's a Butologia, or I think it's a sort of ghost chili. Really good. I made some hot sauce with it, but currently it's winter. So in winter I took the plant out of my planter box and I filled it into this rather large pot. The plant is about, I don't know, 3 feet high, or I don't know, 60 to 70 centimeters tall. And the issue right now is that all my plants have those tiny lice. You can see them there maybe. And now I already placed some coffee grounds on the surface of the soil, and I also did that with those here. Those I already treated and they're getting better. Now my treatment is pretty simple. You just place it in the shower, turn on your shower head, and then you bombard it with water. That should do it. And now those tiny lice should all be flicked off and collect in the drain. This is mostly now coffee grounds, but in the first stage is when I noticed with the problem with the lice. This is already treated a few times like this. It looked like this, just with lice. So this might help you. This is a non-toxic way of treating your plants, and also it gets rid of plants or leaves that would otherwise fall off anyways. So I think this kind of keeps the plant healthy. As you can see, it's looking good. It has fresh leaves all over, and the other one actually is flowering. So I hope this helps.